So will there be a dash cam or a body cam video in your case? Quite likely, particularly with DUI cases. The rule of our obtaining dash cam and body cam video evidence in all cases is governed by the rules of criminal procedure, Rule 16. And that provides that we are entitled to get a copy of every bit of evidence, every exhibit the state intends to introduce at a trial in your case. And more than that, we are required to be provided by the state information that would be relevant to our investigation of the case that the state isn't even going to bother to use. Now, a dash cam and a body cam by police practices is going to be engaged when the lights go on. So we should be able to see a dash cam or body cam of nearly every piece of a police investigation where the officer is present. In many of these cases, the state doesn't intend to use these videos because they are no value to the state getting a conviction, but they might be really valuable to us. So we are not going to be even compelled to answer the state's request to go to a trial or not unless we are provided all of the information that is required to be provided to us. So we don't even begin to evaluate the case until we get that information and review it. We're looking at these cases through the jury's eye view. We want to see what the body cam and dash cam looks like. Police officers aren't always correct. When they write their reports, they might write things in reports that frequently are in there that might not be supported by the body cam or dash cam. So those are often the most compelling pieces of my DUI defense practice. I might be going and having a sit down with the prosecutor before a trial and saying, hey, have you really looked at this carefully? Let's look at this together, and might be able to persuade the prosecutor that a case isn't going to survive the rigors of an evaluation by a jury. So dash cams and body cams are highly valuable tools for me in my defense to enable to look at the evidence and see what the jury might see. They're required to be provided, so I'm going to hold the state's feet to the fire and get that information through Rule 16 of the Rules of Procedure. So if you're facing a DUI case or any other criminal case, call me, call Arnold and Bailey, get scheduled to come in here, and I will make sure we hold the state's feet to the fire on all of the discovery rules, which includes the rule that the state is required to give me a copy of the dash cam and body cam evidence in your case. That will help us evaluate the case and prepare to defend you.